Hello, what's up, people? So, I know I haven't made a video in a while because I was busy with my exams and the university, and I even changed my hostel from Puzzoli to Jan Turco. So, today we are going to a place to Salerno where the Christmas celebrations have been started. So, there are many lightings and all the stuff. So, today we are going to see that. So, let's go. So, if you have seen my previous videos, you might have known that how to travel to Salerno from Naples. So we have reached Salerno. So as we walk through the station, we have encountered the beautiful Christmas tree that was done with the lightings. So we have been there, and then we walked through the Salerno streets. As we walked from the station, we were walking toward the streets, and we've seen multiple people who were actually coming from different places to see the Salerno lights because they were actually famous around the Naples. And there are a lot of people, and there were too much of traffic over there. While we are walking through the Salerno streets, we have seen these amazing lights that were set up by the locals. These were set up every day almost, but they were more bright and much more relevant during the Christmas years because this is where they celebrate during Christmas. And in Christmas, the most of the Italians, they don't go out and make parties and drink a lot. I mean, they will drink, but they won't make parties. They just like to stay with their family and have fun with the family. So this is just before the Christmas, so they were just having a vacation right now. As you can see, there's a lot of congestion here because there are a lot of people, and even the cars and the travel has to be done. So they were allowing, just like in India, they were allowing some people and then the cars and then the people and then the cars. So this how they were managing the traffic right now. As you can see, they were selling the peach mithai. Peach mithai is the thing that we call in India. So they were selling this, but we tried to eat it, but they don't have the card to accept the cash. So since we are not carrying the cash because it's not safe that much, so we just gave it up. As we are walking, we have been through this amazing street. In the previous video, if you might see in the previous video, you might have known the street, but they were also selling the pizzas there, and there was a huge rush because of the. You see, Italians will be eating a lot of pizza even in the. It's they'll eat normally. They'll eat on a occasion. They'll do it. They'll eat whenever. They just love pizzas. And there was an Italian who was my classmate. He even taught me how to eat a pizza, the right way to eat a pizza. So it was a great experience for me actually. Pizzas are good.
Prego signora Gatte Rosse, prego. Ah, ci scattano pure regalina su, scipione, ci scattano per milioncini qua. Ma ci vuoi fra me?
As we walked from the streets, we were walking towards the beach. Maybe we could see something great from here. So this is what we have seen through the main road, which is from the Salerno. So they decorated very well through the streets, and this is actually very good. As we were walking, we encountered these two super bikes, which is the Super Duke 190 KTM, and this is one more bike, which is a CVT engine. This is also a 1200cc bike. So they were actually really powerful. So that's pretty much it because they did not actually decorate anything near the beach. They just left it like that because I mean they were just lightings, but they were not something great. So we've been walking all the streets for so long, so we were actually hungry. So on the way we saw this restaurant and we are going there.
నమస్తే అన్న ఎస్ఎఫ్సి తెలుసా కేఎఫ్సీకి డూపు అదిగో అక్కడే ఉంది.
We just had 30 minutes to go to the train because if we miss the train, we have to wait for the next day because there is no more service to the Naples from Salerno. So we were waiting for the food, and you can see me. I was eating really fast because if we miss the train, we cannot go back. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. So I know I haven't made the video in a while, so I was busy, but I'll try to make the videos as soon as possible and much better because I'm planning a trip recent soon. So I hope I'll catch you soon. Thank you for watching. Peace.